All right guys, welcome back to another exciting one. Fash is here. So in this tutorial we want to work on colors, and it's pretty easy. Many a times if you want to create dashboards or you want to make your presentations to look more appealing, you need to understand how to navigate through colors, and this tutorial is going to be short. So what we are going to do is that you can see from this mark, you can see color palette in there. So when you hit on it, you can see automatic at the top, automatic bar, lines, area, score on the likes. So what we're going to do, we're not going to touch this we're just going to click on color. So when you click on color, you can decide to actually click on more colors. From these more colors, you can see a lot of color palette from here. You can select any one you feel like selecting, and when you hit on OK, you see that this thing really changed. So you can click on more color again, figure it out what exactly you're going to make use of. You can see, let's click on this and let's see what's going to happen. You can see it's keep changing. So that is it. So you can decide, the moment you start clicking on probably any more colors, you can see how this color palette is going to be increasing. Okay, so if you look at this border, they say it is automatic. You can probably give it something like black or something. You can see this thing changed from not having a border to something that looks like tick. Okay, but many times you might want to say, fine, I want different unit to have different colors. So what I'm going to do is go to hit on shift and drag this thing down to where you can actually see color. So by the time you hit on it, you can see I'm dragging it. You can see by the time you look at it, you can see it gives me it's not actually giving me what I want. This thing it's not appearing. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z and I'm going to say okay, right, what's going on with my keyboard? Okay, hold on. I think you have to hit on Control, not Shift. Okay, so when you hit on Control and not Shift, you can see different colors with different with the respective bars. Okay, so if you look at these, you can decide to say, okay, why this size is too big, I can decide to make it a little bit smaller. You can see it's getting thin, but anyways we want to deal with colors. Anyways, we're not dealing with size this time around. Okay, you can see edit colors. When you click on edit colors, you can see it's going to ask you automatic, but when you hit on this, you can select any color you feel like selecting. You can see this is pretty awesome. You can apply. All right, so when you apply, you can see it gives you different look and feel of this kind of colors, and that is that. Okay, it's pretty easy. You can hit on OK and you can go back and hit on select. So many times this the concept I want you to figure out in there is that the moment you want to probably have a different colors for probably some rows or whatever, just try as much as possible to press on Control and bring it straight down to the color. Let's say you want each representative to have different color. You can decide to say, hey, I want you guys to have color. Let me hit on rep and I hit on Control. I'm going to drag this straight down there. You can see it's going to give me another color different from what you're seeing in there. You can see this is amazing. So you can easily see a different color with different respective I mean, you get to see color with each bars of the employee. Okay, this is awesome. All right, I think that is what I really want to show you right now, how to navigate through colors. And you can see this pep. If you click here, you can see label, size, detail, top list. We're not doing that for now. Okay, so just understand how to navigate through this color palette. Okay, and that is it. Okay, it's going to be very useful. It's going to make your design to look awesome. It's going to make your design to at least be easy to analyze. I can say probably let's say Richard has this kind of color, and I can say okay, Rachel, I can say Richard has this kind of color. I can say Susanna has this kind of color, so people can easily notice your description. All right, hope you actually find this tutorial interesting. In the next tutorial, we're going to see how we can do some formatting, labeling, and the likes, and this is going to be much more interesting. Okay, as we move on, trust me, we're getting there. We're going to shut Tableau down, and for real, we're going to be a pro. All right, this is where I'm actually going to stop the video for now, and I can't wait to have you in the next one. Have fun. Bye.